Hey guys, Mama Circus here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a spooky one. We are cleaning and setting up our Halloween decor. It's really fun. I feel like I have a lot of cute decorations, so let's get right into it.
That's clean.
Huh?
That's clean.
No, this is all dirty stuff. It's got to get washed, okay? No, that's dirty.
That's clean.
It's dirty. It's in the dirty pile. See, this is all dirty.
That's clean.
No, it's dirty.
Clean.
Girl, it's dirty.
It's clean.
I know you want it to be clean, but it's dirty.
It's clean.
All right, now that we got a load of laundry done, it is time to move on to my next least favorite chore, which is the dishes. You see, lately I've been trying to start off by putting a load of laundry in first because I feel like it's just something that can get done while I'm doing other things. I know some people may say, hey, you're all over the place, just focus on one thing at a time. But in reality, there is so many things to do. I would be here all day if I did things that way. That's why I think it's best just to multitask the best that you can. And by throwing in a quick load of laundry, you now have one chore getting done while you're doing something else. So now you're getting two things done at the same time. And I think that is really genius. I used to always wait kind of till the end to start working on my laundry, but now that is the first thing I do when I am about to start cleaning. I go straight for the laundry. Plus it kind of clears the floors and stuff and helps pick up a lot of the mess. So when you get to your floors, you're not having to, be hit with that. So that's just a tip that I put out there for you guys. I know it sounds simple and it sounds like everybody should know this, but I truly didn't used to do this. So it has been a game changer for me. And I hope if you don't, you try it. And I hope it's a game changer for you as well. Wow, you guys, that was quite a rant about the laundry. I know that seemed to have dragged on and on, but you know what? I digress. I stand by what I said. It is a game changer. But here I am now cleaning my dogs, giving them a bath because my dogs unfortunately got fleas. We do have sand fleas under our porch, and until the weather gets really cold, we struggle with them. And my poor mama dog and her babies all happened to get fleas on them, and here I was just giving them a soap bath with like the Dawn soap because you cannot put flea medicine on a puppy. That could harm the puppy. And I also got to be careful with the mama because she is nursing. So I just did a Dawn soap bath, and then I did get them all treated when I took the puppies in for their shots. So now they're all good to go. We are flea free. I cleaned the whole house top to bottom. I put this like special spray down. It was a whole thing. Washed anything that had fabric, material, yada yada, you name it. If you've dealt with fleas, then you know it is such a hassle getting rid of them, and the cleanup is just insane. Like, you really have to cover every single base when you're trying to, get rid of those little pests. One thing I have to do when I am putting up new seasonal decorations is I have to declutter. I cannot decorate and have clutter around at the same time. Like, it is just not A, gonna look good, and B, it's just gonna drive me crazy, and it's not gonna be good for my mental state. So I kind of use this as like a little bit of a fall deep cleaning as well when I was putting out my Halloween decorations. My kids absolutely love when we decorate for Halloween, and honestly, we love it too. Over the years, we've collected more and more decorations, and my neighbor girl, she jokes that my house looks like a Home Goods, which honestly, I love that compliment because I love Home Goods. So anyways, yeah, we love it. We go crazy, and it's fun. It's more for the kids, but you know what? At the same time, I that might be a lie. It's more for me too. But once Halloween is over, we go straight into Christmas, baby. And let me tell you, if you think Halloween decorations are crazy, wait till you see our Christmas. It is off the charts. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know and either give it a like or drop a comment down below. I would love to know what everybody is thinking in terms of my cleaning videos. I've been putting these out for a while, but just recently I'm starting to get more consistent. So yeah, please just tell me if there's anything you would like me to see or do or something I can do different. I am open to all types of advice. One thing I'm a sucker for is a good stick vacuum. I have a Dyson and a Bissell, and I love them both. You guys, I will drop links to those in the description box so you can check those out if you're looking for a good vacuum. The Dyson is a higher price point. The Bissell is a lower, so it's just whatever's in your price range. But I'm telling you, truly, these vacuums are amazing, and I don't think I'd vacuum as much if I didn't have these. Another thing I love is this O-Cedar mop. I love how it separates the clean water from the dirty. I swear by this mop. I think it's amazing. Some people say they don't think it fits enough water. I have plenty of water to mop my house when I do the top and bottom without having to refill the bucket, because there is like a storage reservoir where you could add more water. So if you are wanting a mop, check this one out. I'm telling you, it is one of the best on the market, and it also is really good for mopping like your walls or inside your showers. You can use it for so many things other than just your floors. I really get so much use out of this. I will drop a link to it down below in the description as well.
Saw this layout.
Oh my goodness, there is nothing I love more than a good cozy vibe, especially when we are going into the fall season. It just makes everything feel so much better, especially since I've been spending more time at home trying to save money and not be running the road so much. It just makes it feel so good to have your home become like your little oasis. I just love being all cozied up on my couch, enjoying a show or a movie. Like, it just feels so good. And honestly, the kids love it too. Like, I don't care what anybody says. Like, the kids really do love all the decorations and the little things. People think that they don't care and they can live without it, but I'm telling you, they notice, and it does make them feel good too.
Like, what was going on? I think that someone was so
All right, here we are moving on to the last room that I am decorating, which is the bathroom. Every year we do this bathroom just like this. Maybe next year we might get some different decor, but so far this has just really worked, and we've got a couple years use out of the shower curtain in this whole setup. And honestly, I don't get tired of it. I love it so much. I like that it's like really spooky season vibes. It's just so cute, and I love this garland I got from Hobby Lobby. I just tuck in little like Halloween pumpkins and witch hats and stuff, and it looks so cute and just adds like a nice little soft touch to that like creepy aesthetic, you know, of Halloween. So yeah, if you like my bathroom, let me know down below in the comments. I can link below the shower curtain, the rugs, and everything if you would like to purchase it for next season, or maybe you like to decorate for Halloween all year long and you just want to purchase it now. I know, enough with the links, right? But I don't know, I feel like when I am watching a video, especially in terms of decorations, I love when people just drop the link down below because it just makes it so much easier to find. So that's all I'm trying to do. I'm not trying to sound super salesy or anything like that, because if you guys watch my other videos, you know I am nothing like that. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope it has got you excited for Halloween and pumped up for the fall season that is upon us. Please subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.